Myself, Aparanjani Pridarshini, and we are continuing the Bootstrap videos.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell button, share and comment your doubts and like this video.
And today's topic is margins and paddings. So in Bootstrap, margins are going to be denoted with M. So here margin classes are denoted with M. So now let me open our web page and we will see the examples. So already we have created one folder, that is Bootstrap classes. Open this Bootstrap classes, and in this create a new program .html bootstrap HTML5, and here I'm going to link the Bootstrap software and CSS, and in this bootstrap.min or bootstrap.css. Now after this, overridden with a customer style. Here I am taking a container, inside this container a row, and in this row let me take a column of 3 I will take, and this is a, let me write a new data, and another div that is also with a 3 columns. This is a second column and column with a 3. This is third column and another, so 12 it becomes fourth column. So let me browse and check how this is going to be displaying. Now this is our row. So now the margin is going to be given, or the margin are going to be includes, or it is going to be represented with M. So here in our official website you can see this is a margin. So in our official website also will be there. So margin and padding, margin are going to be represented with M. So already in CSS also you people have learned the margins, that is how the margins are going to be given in CSS. Here we will have the predefined classes as it is, we need to use it. So with the example we will see. Margins and padding. Only margin we will take, both it is showing margin. Okay, now see here. M for classes that sets margin, P for padding. Now here for this margin, auto margin will be there. Top is denoted with the T, bottom is denoted with the B, and L is for the left, or S is going to be start. Left is default, so we can take S, or you can write L also, that is left, but the fifth version it will consider as a S, starting. So starting is left side, so S is going to be denoted. With the same for the padding also, PL, and margin R also you can take it, padding R, anything you can take it. Then right side R you can take, but in the version 5th you can use the end ME, that also you can take it. Now here top, bottom, left, right, 4 are there, but only one symbol we can use as an X axis for X, that is left and right side, both it is going to be adjusted with the margin what you have given. Y is top and bottom is going to be adjusted. And if you are going to be writing only M, that is default, it will take 4 sides, and P also for 4 sides, default it will take. And now here the measurements will be there, so the measurements are going to be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the measurements. So this measurements and auto is automatic. So here I am going to show you this measurements. It is going to be written like this. 0 for 0 pixel, 1 if you are writing 1, 0.25 rim measurements. If you are going to be taking 2, 0.50 rim, 3, 1 rim, 4, 1.5 rim, 5, 3 rim. So these are the measurements and these are the values where we are using for the margins as well as the padding. So these are the measurements. Now by default you can take P1, P2, P3 like that, P-1, P-2 like that, or M-1, M-2 like that. So these are going to be represented in our tags. So here I have taken here a div in the div class MX, that is margin x-axis auto. And at the same time we will have the negative margins also. The same thing, but with the auto, here we can write the values 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of writing 1 to N, you can represent. N means negative, it will take same. MT, that is margin top, -1. Negative side it will take, that's it. There is no other. And here one more class is there, that is introduced in the version 5 only, that is grid. Grid is going to be using for the gap. When using the display as a grid, you can make use of gap utilities. So here this can save on the having to add margin utilities to individual grid items. So here just you can write display grid 2, 1, 3. So here the difference, I mean the gap between this div and this div it will take. So here in this div class padding 2, and this is also padding 2 it will give, but each div is going to be gives the back with a gap 3, and this is a display grid you need to use. So this we will see one after the other, one example we will see. So here so let me take first margin we will write. So first we will take in the row. So margin hyphen auto I won't take. I'll take here. I'll remove this one, 4th one. So just you see. So 3, 1 is left there, and now here. Sorry, 2 I am writing. Now the margin for the row it has given. So this is for the row. Now I want only for the each item. So this column you use it. That's why I have deleted one column. Now see, the row is there only. Only the column auto I have sorry M I have given. M means all the four sides. So all the four sides. The measurement which I have given is 2. 2 means 0.50 rim. So that much space it will give. So at the same time, I'm going to use here MT hyphen 4 I will take. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now see here top, only top. So top it has given the space. At the same time, I'm going to use here MB, that is bottom 5. I'm going to write. 5 is 3 rims. See this much gap. At this, let me take here 1 only. Now see, only little gap is there. Let me take 2, little it is extended. 3, still it is extended. 4, still it is extended. This is top and this is bottom. So here like this you can do it. Now I am going to use another row, and in this I will write a column of 4, and also I'll take auto column. That's it. Now see, auto, both the sides has equally distributed the space, and it is going to be saved like this. So it is called auto. So this is about the margins. Now we will see the 2. So all the 4 sides it is 2. Now I want only top but with N. So just you can see it is moved up. Okay, instead of this, let me take bottom 5. Now here this is, it is actually it is not showing properly. So it comes down of this. And here instead of this you can take the MD. So this is up to MD it will. This one. Now I'm going to make the responsive. After medium, the size of the column becomes, again the margin has not there, it has removed, because I have given the size of the screen medium size. After medium size, the margin is going to be removed. As usual, column is going to be created. So like this you can use for all the breakpoints, like large, Excel, small, for all that. Similarly, we can use the padding. So padding here, normally for the column only we need to use it. Okay, before going to the column, I'm going to show you the x-axis and y-axis. So here column 1, and here I'm going to use mx-4, that is x-axis. Now see both the sides. Here one more column I will create. So you can come to know that margin y hyphen 5 I will take. And here I'm not going to take any margins or any padding, simply 3. Now see here. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So both the sides it has given the space, and here x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. So now we will go for the padding. So here padding P is denoted P hyphen 2 I'm taking. So some space it will be. See the data which is around this, the border of the column has expanded. Now here I'm going to take P B, that is bottom. 4 I will write. So this has been extended. Now the last one I'm taking top padding 5 I'm going to take. Now see, the gap has been extended. Now instead of that, we can use here px by 4 I will take the padding of column 1. Okay, this one we will see px 5. Okay, here it is exactly, you people are not able to see because already margins are there. Let me take here another row. Okay. Okay, now here measurements are same. So here PR I will write hyphen 5 right side. Um, and here left side. So let me take P5, P5, P bottom hyphen 5. Bottom. Okay. So like this The remaining all you can do. And let me take another column, and that I'm going to use I'm using here x-axis and y-axis. Py hyphen 5. So y-axis, good. Right and left it is not working. Only, and this is px hyphen y. Now both the sides, top and bottom is there, not there, only left and right. So x-axis, y-axis, margins and padding, both, and also top, bottom, everything you can check it. Now we will go for the grid. So grids, so here I am taking another row, inside this another column. So here here I'm not taking, I'll take the grid. Okay, gap is equal to 3. Okay, so here we got it. So here you can see that display grid and gap is 3. Okay, so now see gap it has given. If you are not taking the display grid, this gap is not going to be given. So always grid is going to be gives the using the gap class, how much gap you want, that much you can give, 1 2 3 like that. So these are the margins and paddings in Bootstrap. Thank you.